In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. Navigating billing tasks effectively is essential for keeping your business financials organized and up to date. To start, you'll need to have your QuickBooks Online account open and ensure that you're logged in with the account that has the appropriate admin privileges, as this will allow you access to manage billing details. When you're ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll find a prominent gear icon, commonly known as the Settings or Tools menu. Clicking on this gear icon is going to be your first definitive step. This option is your gateway to a variety of settings and administrative tools. Once you click the gear icon, you'll be presented with several menu options. Here, you will want to select Subscriptions and Billing. Choosing this option will lead you to the screen where you can effectively manage all your billing and subscription details associated with your QuickBooks Online account. It's in this area of QuickBooks Online where you gain control over your subscription plans, payment methods, and other related billing information. It's also the place where you can view your existing subscriptions, make changes to them, and even cancel them if needed. If you're adjusting payment methods or altering subscription plans, this section is designed to provide you with an overview of all the pertinent information you need. However, there's an important note I should make. In this demonstration, I'm using a test drive account for illustration purposes, which unfortunately does not allow me to access the subscriptions and billing screen directly. In your live account, you'll have full access to navigate through these options and make any necessary adjustments. Therefore, I recommend exploring this feature in your real QuickBooks Online account to familiarize yourself fully. To provide some extra clarity, once you are in the Subscriptions and Billing section, you'll typically find subsections that allow you to view your billing history and see if there are any upcoming charges. It's also where you handle things like updating your credit card information or modifying the subscription tiers to better suit your business needs. If you need additional support, QuickBooks typically offers links and contact options for their customer service team right from this section. This can be incredibly helpful should you encounter any intricacies or need tailored assistance. Managing your billing and subscriptions with QuickBooks Online can seem like a daunting task at first, but with just a few clicks and the right account access, you can streamline this process, ensuring that your business runs smoothly and efficiently. So, dive in with confidence and take control of your QuickBooks billing and subscription.